This is the XSound Plus 2 Bluetooth speaker from Tribit, featuring a big battery for 24 hours playtime, two 15-watt full-range drivers giving a total 30 watts of power, and IPX7 waterproofing. It also features their XBass system, hands-free calling, Bluetooth 5.3, stereo pairing, and an optional smartphone app to adjust EQ, change features, and upgrade its firmware. In the box you get a small instruction manual, a USB A to C cable for charging, and the speaker itself. It's about the size and shape of a small water bottle, so it'll fit in cup holders and rucksack side pockets, and design-wise it goes for the look of a traditional hi-fi system, albeit in miniature form, with a horizontal layout for the left and right speakers, and simple controls on top consisting of plus and minus buttons for your volume control, and a single multifunction button in between them. A single press for play or pause, double press for skip to next track, and triple press for previous track. There's also the power button, Bluetooth pairing button, EQ button, and the TWS button for pairing two speakers in stereo or for party mode if you have a second Tribit speaker. By the way, they don't have to be the same speaker. I tested it out and was able to pair the Stormbox 2 with this XSound Plus 2. Finally, around the back underneath the waterproof flap, there's a 3.5mm aux input as well as the USB-C charging port. It's a nice looking speaker with a good weight to it. It packs a punch and sounds really good for a small portable Bluetooth speaker. You can tweak the EQ and other settings via the free Tribit app, which also lets you upgrade the speaker's firmware. First impressions are really good, and I'm looking forward to taking it with me on my travels this summer and testing it out, especially its waterproof features, and to use it at the poolside. Make sure you're subscribed and following to see how I get on with it, and if you'd like to pick one or a pair of them up for yourself, then click my affiliate link in the video description.